Ndewo, aha m bụ Ijeoma Kubue, onye na-ewetara unu nkuzi Igbo. Obi dị m ụtọ n'ụbọchị taa, okay? Na mmadụ niile tinyere aka na button subscribe, mmadụ puku 1000 subscribers, okay? I am so grateful to God for you guys, okay? Thank you for being here. Daalụ for supporting me. Daalụ for learning to speak Igbo. Daalụ for buying into this mission, okay? To keep Igbo language alive, okay? And as a way of saying thank you, I have designed this survey. This survey will help me to know what you need to know, okay? What is your pain points? What are your challenges, okay? And you have a chance to win something if you complete this survey. And it's not random, okay? It just depends on merit. It depends on how much you fill in the survey. So on the survey, you have tick boxes, check boxes, and you have comment boxes where you have to write something. Fill it in as much as you can. And if you think the comment boxes are not enough for you, send me an email, ijeoma@igbostudy.com. okay, send me an email and let's talk more. Send me an email and give me more information, okay? And it's not just filling the survey. When you fill the survey and I've shortlisted you, we'll get on the phone and have a chat. And after that, oh my God, you won't believe the giveaway I am giving. All right, it's just awesome. But it's only for people that are ready to take action, okay? Because I don't want somebody to waste my time. It is free, but I don't want time wasters, okay? It's just for people that are really learning Igbo. You're a beginner, okay? And you're ready to put in the work, to put in the time to show up and learn and speak Igbo. All right, so if you're interested, you know what to do. Click the link below this video. All right, and for all of you guys that can speak Igbo already, that are still here supporting, thank you. Dalo for helping and teaching people in the comment section. Dalo, all of you that are always commenting. Patricia, Cheesy, lots of people, Shine. I mean, if I start mentioning all your names, oh my God, I am so grateful. Okay, if I haven't mentioned your names, it's not because I do not know you're there. I know you are there. Okay? Dalo for being here. Okay? Dalo for being part of this mission. Okay? So, Isegi Dalo. Enwere survey mepere nwere ajụjụ ndị ga-aza. Okay? Ajụjụ ndị ahụ ka ị na-aza ya nke ọma ka ị na-enweta ihe onyinye m chọrọ inye. Okay? So the more you answer that survey, the more detailed information you give me, the more chance you have of winning the giveaway. So just click on the link, answer the survey, give as much detail as possible, and if the link, if the box is not enough for you to put in your thoughts, send me an email with more information. If you need to attach it as a PDF or whatever, attach it and send it to me. And then after that, I will discuss on the phone, and then you just get your giveaway. All right. There are only few spots for this giveaway, and it's open for 2 weeks, so till the end of January. Okay, you can enter this survey until January 31st. Okay, so you can enter until the end of January. Okay, and I'll be letting you know the winners later. Okay, after I have pulled the survey, after I've gone through it and everything, I'll let you know the winners. Okay. All right, I'm looking to get at least 8 winners. Okay, I'm looking to get about 8 winners. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Just the more you fill it in, the more chance you get. Okay, so about 8 winners. Okay, so check out the link below. Okay, all right. No. No ball. No ball. Kai sorobona. Nyagide. Kai sorobona.
Is it? We got a pebble. Is it a pebble? And it's it. Me Arnold. Is it? We got a pebble.
isingo ikperoko ikperoko isingo ikperoko ikperoko anya ntị imi ọnụ isingo ikperoko ikperoko